pozdrav svima ljudi, ovdje sasvim LT, kao što vidite igram basket. Da vidim kako mogu dalje. Fuck. Sve o svemu. Danas igramo novu misiju kod Svita. Cleaning the hood. Znam koja je.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Even Marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homie. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away. Get out,
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
Ok, znači trebamo da odemo kod nekog
One of the
lika
families ain't up on us.
Apart from
i da
smoke,
kao naučimo
sweet,
lekciju.
and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
Ok, on trebao bi kao da živi ovdje.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homies?
Nah, the
What?
only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
This shit's fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a bass slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in this city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Ok, znači, da, mene ovaj lik mnogo iritira. Ne znam za vas. Znači sad trebamo da odemo i također neke likove da ubijemo. Jedno su tamo. Ops.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Aha, to je kao dealer droge. Prodaje drogu.
Hey, Bob, I'm working, man. What you need? What you take me on the phone?
Ajde, pali.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat
Lep
over there.
spavaj. Čekaj da uzmem ovo. Opa, gledajte šta sad imam. Ovo sam našao na krovu
Man,
kuće
you're
od
on a
Svita.
serious mission now.
I sad,
Man,
kako se
don't
zove,
sweat it, homie.
imam više
Everybody in
oružja.
the hood know ballers are pussies.
Ajde, Rajderu. Dođi.
Them that
Ajde,
don't
bre.
know him won't.
Okej, idemo nazad u Grove Street. Ne. Što sam se ispalio, idemo ovuda. Gde je sad? Znam. Izvini. Ajde sad. Okej. Dobro, ovo nije teritorija Ballas, ono, poslušine su valjda Ballas, siguran.
Wait. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Okej, trebam da uđem unutra. Okej, sad trebam da se fajtamo s njima. Dođi. Da, zašto ja to ne koristim? Ćao, drug dealer.
Damn, now, get him up! I should get the hell up out of here.
Imaš neko... Opa, ćao. Okej, znači trebam da se vratim u sitovu kuću.
Now ballers know Grove Street family's on their way back up.
Ajde, right through.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Okej, evo ga.
Now that the base ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Okej, to je to. Prešli smo ovu misiju. Ajmo mi odmah na sljedeću.
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Man. Hey, what's
Man
going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos?
Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man,
discussion.
I don't want no chicken.
Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Znači, moramo vozimo... Ali ozbiljno, moramo vozimo ovog debelog da
Our
jede,
moms
ono.
get killed. We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green Saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Okej,
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they?
znači idemo ovdje. Okej. Šta je ovo?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his.
Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6
Ali ovo
extra
je
dip,
jede,
a
bro.
number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Au, čač.
Hey, sorry, bro. You know I gotta know about mine.
I know, CJ, I know. I'm just trying not to think about it, that's all. I mean, I didn't know she was hit until it was all over.
Yeah, right. Let's eat.
Svinja, burac. Dobro. Šta? Eno ga zna ko nešto trebam da
Hey, don't we
ofarbam.
got beef around
Sam
here?
radio
Been
već sa
getting into
svitom.
it with these fools.
I can't stand cold food. Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can.
Oh, shit. Trash can fish.
Pass me my food.
Hey, look. Kilo Trey scoping us out.
Damn, Ryder, you a jinx.
Shit, them motherfuckers headed to the hood.
Drive by.
Okej.
Have a little shit. Get it, go. Get the gas now, I see things.
Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot him when I'm done eating.
Škoraj, rokaj. Fuck, nemam metko još. Aj, rokajte vi, bravci. Sad, rokaj.
I'm trying to enjoy my
Rokaj, šta radiš?
Those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now, come on, Smoke. Shoot.
bad
out of here, CJ.
Rokaj bre. To je još malo, ajde.
Oh shit! Got ketchup all
Još
over
malo, još malo.
The business ahead.
Ajde, rokaj bre. To.
These was clean pigs.
CJ, I warned your ass. Let's go.
To bre. Čekaj sad, samo njih.
CJ, watch the
Sluš ovog.
damn road.
Dođi. Ne.
My soda.
Ajde bre.
Over the fucking floor.
To.
Suck it up what we're done.
Ajde, dođi. Okej, brzo, vidi koliko je balas ovde. Mrš.
That was some
Au,
serious
sine.
shit.
Yeah, man, those ball fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to the grove.
All right, I'm on it.
Oh, man. That food filled the hole.
You chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blast or I'm gonna blast you myself.
Smoke, you wide, man. I mean, wide.
And
CJ,
that's why
I
you
warned
love
you.
me, baby.
Au čovječe, ovo je bilo napeto, glej, meni kola gore, vratno samo što ne eksplodiraju. Uf, ajde sad, parkiramo kola. Čovječe.
That's one up for the grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride.
All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later.
See y'all later. See y'all later. Okej. Sam trebam da vozimo u debelu svinju, brate, on će vas
Who was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry I read.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the grove.
Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all,
Ovo je cool.
but the grove is in my heart, baby. It's where my dogs is at.
Yeah, okay, homie.
Cool, mogu da menjamo ovdje. Pap. Nije loše.
Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.
Relax, homie. Okej, završi sam opet, $200 sam dobio sad. Interesantno. Nije loš. Dobro. Okej. Treba bi završiti klip. Znači sad imam... Okej, imam opet svit. Samo svita. Dobro. Okej, hvala vam što ste gledali ovaj klip. Opet me neko zove kada hoće prekinem s klipom. Ko je sad?
Yeah.
Hey, CJ, it's Sweet.
Hey, what's up?
If you don't respect your body, ain't nobody gonna respect you. You're too skinny, CJ. You need to pack on some muscle.
If I wanted nagging, I'd buy a clockwork wife.
Just looking out for you, homie. It's all show and respect, you know.
Yeah, I guess.
There's a gym I go to a couple blocks out from the Grove. Go check it out and get yourself a gangster physique.
I'll scope it out. Later, man.
Okej, znači meni su rekli da kao, to jest ovaj Sweet mi je rekao da ako dođem u gym kao, kakav English, ako dođem kao u džan, kao vežbam, dobijem mišiće, onda kao sam jači, udarci sam jači, brže kao, ne znam, možda brže trčim ili nešto tako. Sve u svemu to je ovdje, kao što vidite. I, ne znam, prilično izgleda dobro. Pa ću možda do sljedeće epizode malo vežbati. Znači, hvala vam što ste gledali. Vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi gdje idemo na Sweetovu misiju i ćao svima.